Hi, this is Busy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add pronouns on Discord. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord, a popular group chatting app, was originally made to give gamers a place to build communities and talk. But since its launch in 2015, it has branched out to include communities from all over the internet, ranging from writers to artists to K-pop stans. It has boomed in popularity during the pandemic as more people have worked, played games, and socialized online. And the platform says it now has more than 140 million active monthly users. And don't you know, on Discord, you can add your pronouns on your profile. How to do it is so simple. So first of all, we have to open our Discord. Now you can just tap on your profile. There is an option edit profile. You can just tap on that. And you can see there is the pronouns section. You can just tap on that and enter your pronouns. Maybe like this for the example. Now, after you finish at your pronouns, you can just tap on the upper right corner on the save in here. So you can see on your username, there's your pronouns on it. So simple, right? So that is how to add pronouns on your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!